So how do you get your pizza for 50% off with Pizza Hut? So all you need to do is go into order now. So make sure you click this. And once you've decided what pizza you want, whether it be like a meat lovers, you need to go down here where it says start from a recipe and click meats. And then you'll see your pizzas like supreme, meat lovers, and pepperoni. So I would click a supreme because I like those. Go through the process, whether you want to hand toss, do all of that stuff, your sauces, your amount, all that different things. And then go to continue the toppings. I gotta select a crust, so hand toss, cool. And then continue the toppings. Make sure your toppings are on there. Go to next. Then add to order. From there, you'll see it's only $8.49. So let me go to checkout. And you'll see that it's $8.49 as opposed to if you go back and go to menu and then pizza. And you'll see that a supreme pizza is $16.99. So, and that is how you guys get pizza for 50% off. Thanks.